Welcome to our channel. Today we how to register with Sotheby's International Realty detailed guide step by step clearly. To register with Sotheby's International Realty, begin by visiting the official Sotheby's International Realty website. Once you are on the home page, locate the Join Us or Become an Agent section. Click on the link to access the registration page. Here, you will find an overview of the benefits of joining Sotheby's International Realty. Take a moment to read through this information to understand what the company offers. Next, scroll down to the registration form. Fill in your personal details, including your full name, email address, and phone number. Ensure that the email address you provide is valid, as this will be used for communication. You may also need to enter your state or region to identify your local office. Once you have completed the personal information section, proceed to enter your professional details. This will typically include your real estate license number, if applicable. If you are not yet licensed, be sure to indicate your intent to obtain a license. Sotheby's International Realty values professional experience, so list any relevant positions or qualifications you have. Now, review the terms and conditions of registration. Make sure to read through them carefully before agreeing. After you agree to the terms, you may need to verify your identity with additional information. Submit any requested documents, such as proof of your real estate license or identification. Once your information is submitted, you will receive a confirmation email. Check your inbox for this confirmation to ensure your registration was successful. Follow any additional prompts in the email to complete your registration process. Once registered, await further communication from your local Sotheby's International Realty office. A representative will reach out to discuss next steps and onboarding procedures. Be prepared for a potential interview or orientation session. After onboarding, you will gain access to resources and support for your real estate career. Congratulations, you are now on your way to becoming a part of Sotheby's International Realty. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.